YouTube. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to turn on the grayscale screen for your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This will work for the S26 Ultra, S26, and the S26 Plus as well. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So if you want to turn on the grayscale screen for your S26 device, thankfully it's pretty easy to do so. The first thing you want to do is actually jump into your settings. After you jump into your settings, you want to scroll down and you want to look for accessibility. And then from accessibility, what you want to do is look for vision enhancements. And then from there, you want to hit vision enhancements. And then from there, what you want to do is scroll down and look for color adjustment and then hit color adjustment. And then you want to turn color adjustment on, and then you can scroll down and you can hit grayscale there to turn on the grayscale screen. And there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to turn on grayscale screen for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.